Is this going to have a major impact on our state?
Well, defense as a whole, I believe it's 23.4 billion spent in the state annually on defense. 19 billion of that alone is just in pay and allowances to defense or defense support personnel. That's a lot of money. It's the number two segment of the state's economy. If that number reduces, it's going to be there's going to be an impact to the state. To the extent that it's going to be reduced, we don't know that number yet. It's being debated right now in Washington. What the final outcome of the total number of forces, where they'll be stationed, where they'll be based, is going to evolve over the next 2 to 18 months.
Obviously, a lot of this is taking place in D.C. Are there decisions being made in Raleigh and in other parts of North Carolina that have an impact as well?
Right. Great question. One of the things that we're looking at within the National Guard, for example, is the current footprint we operate throughout the state. Our facilities, our infrastructure, we are sitting at 1950s facilities in locations that maybe don't have the recruiting base that we need, or are so old that they're inefficient and very expensive to run and operate. We think over the coming months and years, working with branches of government, that we're going to have to look at how we consolidate those, maybe increase our utilization rate in each of the facilities, either by joining with other state agencies, creating some efficiencies that way, or possibly divesting of some of those facilities altogether. But clearly there's going to have to be a change. We can't sustain the trajectory that we're currently on.